Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And hello, if you're new, make sure you subscribe so you're not gonna miss out on any other video like this one again. I'm gonna teach you guys how to use rose quartz to kind of just charge up your water or your liquid, whatever you're drinking. So here I have several different kinds of rose quartz. We're just gonna jump right in. I have my hot water right here. As you can see, it is steaming. And I'm gonna put some herbs in there because I like herbal teas, and it's just very therapeutic and calming for me. So you could use coffee, you can use tea, you can use water, iced water, hot water, you can use whatever you're drinking, basically. And so first thing I want to say is this right here is a rose quartz coaster, and I got this as a gift from consciousitems.com, and it's a 2 coaster set. So they gave 2 coasters. Very, very pretty, very beautiful, pure rose quartz crystal. And the set is $37.95. And if you guys are interested, head over and I'll link them down below. I love this. It's so beautiful. And just after you cleanse it, it's amazing. It's beautiful. I would highly, highly recommend it. But if you don't have that, you guys can use tumbled rose quartz crystals right here that I have here, 2 tumbled pieces. You can use raw pieces. I have a big chunk right here. Whatever rose quartz that you have is fine as long as it is rose quartz crystal. So what you're going to do is prep your liquid if you need to prep it. So for me, I have lavender here, and I wanted to make some lavender tea because it is the end of the night. This is the last video I'm going to be filming for today until I go to sleep. So I want me a little bit of lavender tea. So I have lavender here, and I'm just going to throw it all in there. And what you're going to do is, first of all, I'm going to let that steep while I talk. But rose quartz, let's get into the energy of rose quartz really quickly before we move on. It's a crystal of unconditional love, self-love, relationship love, emotional healing, soothing and calming energies, and to invite romance and beauty. It even goes far beyond that. If you do your research, you can see so many testimonials and spiritual benefits of the rose quartz crystal. But those are just like the basic ones and the most well-known ones for working with rose quartz crystals. And what you're going to need for this entire thing is basically just rose quartz crystals, whatever you have, and your drink of choice. For me, it's my tea. You could have, like I said, water, juice, tea, coffee. And the first thing you're going to do before you start this is, first of all, you want to clean your rose quartz. So you want to sage it down, or you want to cleanse the energy. So how I like to cleanse my crystals, if it's okay with the crystal, I do it under cold water. So I already washed these with cold water, and then I usually use incense, and I just use the smoke of the incense to just cleanse it. So I already did that. And the next thing you're going to do is set up the area where you're going to be setting your drink down with your rose quartz, which we did, right? So make a nice area, make it like aesthetically pleasing for you, make it a vibe for you, make it something nice for you. Treat yourself to a nice aesthetic, right? And if you have the time, if you don't, you could just do this in like 5 to 10 minutes. And the next thing you're going to do is prepare your drink like we said. We just did that. And we're going to set that onto our rose quartz if you have the rose quartz coaster. If you don't have the coaster, what you're going to do is make sure that your rose quartz is touching your drink. So even if you have like a big chunky one, just make sure that it touches just like that. And you're going to leave that there for about like 5 to 10 minutes. Or, you know, if you have a coaster, you can leave it there for however long you want to. And other ways to use this is you can do this as many times as you want, first of all. And you can keep a rose quartz in the kitchen next to your tea bags, so that when you put your tea bags into your tea, it's already like charged up. You can keep this next to your water at bedtime. I know a lot of us have water next to our nightstands and stuff like that, so you can keep this like over there. Another thing you can do is you can keep it next to your fridge. Not inside the fridge, but like next to the fridge area or on top of the fridge. Or if you have like a water dispenser, you could keep it on top of your water dispenser. So you can charge up all of your water with the energy of the rose quartz. So that is it. I wanted to teach you guys how it's so simple, but it is so powerful, so soothing. It's so calming, and the energy just is very, very loving. So I wanted to share this with you guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I will talk to you guys very, very soon. Bye.